Alright guys, facing battery drain problem on your Poco X8 Pro Max, no need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to fix this issue. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and improve your battery timing without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.